Good morning, friends, and welcome back. I wanted to mention a couple of things. This is the glass bowl that I decoupaged last week, and I mentioned I was going to do a paint pour over it. So this video will show you how to do the paint pour over this. And you'll notice that I started with one set of colors and I ended up using a completely different set of colors. So don't let that confuse you. I am just showing you how I mix all of the colors. That remains the same, but the color has come out completely different, which is what I love. And I think I like the outside of this bowl even a little more than the inside. I'll mention two other things. You are going to think you are wasting a whole lot of paint. The paint that is dripped down dries and it's called a paint skin. I'm going to add the name of a video towards the end of this video so that you can go and watch that and see what you can do with the paint skins, and then you may even start off on a whole new craft. And the other thing is these paint pour sets are now available so that you don't have to worry about which colors to use. There'll be a few links for those down below also. All right, guys, enough of my chatting. I'll fill you in on how to get this done with some subtitles, the video, and some hopefully nice relaxing music. As always, thank you for subscribing and thanks for all of your lovely comments. I read all of them and I really appreciate them. Thanks again, guys.